Hi everyone, we're going to be going through how to get started with Zoom and Google Meet for students of the Worcester Adult Learning Center. So first, just a brief overview. Both Zoom and Google Meet are tools that we can use for video conferencing. As you can see on this photo to the right, it just is a way to bring people together to meet about something. Both Zoom and Google Meet work on the web, and anyone with a link can join via a web browser. No need to install the app. So for school, we're going to be using Zoom or Google Meet for classes. Links to these classes will be sent to you through our Remind system. Either Zoom or Google Meet. As you can see in this photo to the right, this is an example of what a message would look like with a Zoom link to it. And basically you would just click into it, and we'll be demonstrating that here in this video. The links to your classes will also be available on your class page on the Worcester Adult Learning Center website at www.worc-alc.org, as it's explained in the Navigating the Worcester Adult Learning Center website video. So we're just going to be going through just a brief demonstration. Basically, you will get a link to join either a Zoom call or a Google Meet call, and you will have to click on that link. And so this is just a practice link. We're not linking into a real meeting, but you would click into the link, and then most likely you would end up on a page like this. And this tells me when the system dialog prompts to click Open Zoom Meetings. So I'm going to click here. If I have not already installed Zoom, then it would prompt me to download and run Zoom on my computer. In this case, I am going to click Open Zoom Meetings. And then that will bring me to the meeting itself. As you can see here, there are no people here because this is just an example, but you can see that this is what the meeting would look like if we were actually in a meeting, and your teacher would be right here to talk to you. So I'm going to click out of this and end that. We're going to go back to the presentation, and we're going to try now to click into the Google Meet link just to show you what that looks like. So when I click into Google Meet, it'll look a little bit different. This is what I'll see, and again, it's just a blank screen right now, and it asks me if I'm ready to join. No one else is here because this is just an example, but your teacher would most likely already be there, and you would just hit Join Now. And once you're clicked in, it looks very similar to the Zoom call. Your teacher would be right here, and you would be able to talk to your teacher here. So I am going to hang up. We're going to leave that call and go back to our presentation. So we have 2 practice calls scheduled before classes start that will just give you an opportunity to practice clicking into a meeting. And those practice Zoom calls will be a live Zoom call. We will be sending out a remind message about those calls and would ask that you click into the Zoom and the Google Meets links on those remind messages to practice joining. And those will be next Thursday, September 10th. We're going to do the Zoom call at 2 o'clock and the Google Meet call at 3 o'clock. And that will just give us all a chance to practice this new technology that we'll be using this year.